What's up, guys? I hope you're having an amazing day, and alhamdulillah, you too. So, I'm back. So, guys, today's video is gonna be a combined video. So, actually, today is Thursday, 1st August. Hope you're having an amazing month of August, inshallah, and hope I also have. So now, today's the 1st of August, and you guys might be thinking whether the match was on 26th or on 27th of July. No, it wasn't. So, but then, like my sir said, that it will be after Qurban Eid. So, one thing about Qurban. So, Qurban is actually like Eid. So, there are two types of Eid: Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr. So, in Islam, like we are Muslims. So, after Qurbani, like in Qurbani, we buy bulls, camels, goats, or any other animals that are edible but for Muslims. So we buy them, we keep them for around 2-3 days in our house, and then when Eid comes, we just sacrifice like we just cut those cows and give the meat to our neighbors, friends, family, and eat the meat. And we sacrifice them like it's a sacrifice. So in the name of God. So that's all. Now my sir said that my match is supposed to be after Eid. So it might be around 20 or 25 August, something like that. But it can also be, but our sir today said that our coach, he also said that it might be the day after tomorrow on Saturday. I'm not sure. He said it's a news. It's like because it's not raining these days. It's not raining that much. It is, but it's not that much. So now, what's today's video about? So let's talk about that. Okay, guys. So today's video is basically about my birds. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to show you our bird. This is our kitchen. So I'm in our kitchen. So let's go. Look at those. They are so cute. Two of them. Let's show you these two. This is one, this is another one. So let's just take them out with the hat. So they're so cute. Okay. So now you can see them. So I'm not very sure about the gender of these two, but I think they're looking kind of skinny. Oh, they have food. They have everything. Hi. Yo, what's up? Yo, it's poopy. So cute. So I think then like it's kind of wet, so it's moving. So now let me tell you the price. One bird is just 80 taka, like $1 per bird. This bird is $1. This bird is $1. So $2 is the total price. Only $2. Cage included, food included. But we actually give our own food, so they just gave a little bit of food. Now these two are so nice. These two are my pets. So here they are. So if you guys want, I can touch them for you, but yeah, let's touch them. Now you might be asking how old are they? They're about 4 months old. Here, so this is the cage. So if I open it, they might come out as well. I'm not sure, but let's see. My cute birds. These birds' names are Koel in Bangla. So I don't know what's the, actually I don't know the English name. Oh, so cute. And don't be scared, man. You're my son. You're my son. And this is another one. They're not so scared. They're really good. Yeah. Don't be scared, my son. Just like my son. I'm not sure about the gender. They can also be my girl. So you're my girl. You're my boy. I don't know. There you go. Okay, guys. Now I have to wash my hands. Okay. Now let's do some fun. Pikachu. Spidey. Okay. So these two, they're sitting there chilling. They have a great house. Well, I sometimes like open the cage so that they can walk on the kitchen, but they pooped around there. So if we take them out, it's really difficult to put them in. They cannot fly much. They can only fly a little bit, just like chickens. So I have named the both of them. This one is Moina, a bird, and this one is Motin. This one is Motin. This is Moina. Oh. Oops. Okay, whatever. So, hi there. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. They just not. Oh, you could have bite me. Okay, so that's it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you inshallah tomorrow. Bye.
I'll admit I was wrong. What else can I say, girl? Can't you play my head and not my heart? I was drunk, I was gone. That don't make it right, but I promise there were no